What's up, Wise Nation? Shannon the Wise here with Shannon the Wise Tries. Look, I'm about to hit you. What's up, Wise Nation? Shannon the Wise here with Shannon the Wise Tries. You know, this is about to be a new little thing I'm gonna do. All my reviews, DIYs and stuff I'm gonna do on here. So all this gonna be for. So first up, like I said, I'm gonna send y'all some videos if y'all seen my other channel. I hope so. If not, welcome. Wise Nation salute. If y'all ain't got no YouTube home cruising through YouTube and you need to find somewhere to park, come join the Wise Nation. So it's gonna be all reviews and stuff I'm trying on here. So without further ado, like I said, I told y'all I was gonna start off by giving y'all an unboxing and a review from the sequel to the Naxa Vibe 2. We're about to get into the Naxa Vibe 3. Alright, here we go. Got the Naxa Vibe 3 right here. Let's get it going. Let's see what's in it. I mean, y'all know the last one, you know, it was a pretty decent speaker. I mean, I only paid 16 bucks for this. It was on sale at Fry's. It's normally like 24 bucks. Well, $24.95, $25. So, if you get Fry's promo codes, man, you can get some good deals on some stuff. So let's open it up. Let's see. I mean, it's a 6-watt speaker, audio. They got audio input, you know, with an auxiliary card, and it's an MP3. So let's see what it look like. Let's hopefully it's power. It got a little charge to it. You know what I'm saying? Oh, okay. See, this one is a little more sleek. You know, got a nice little size. It's a taller tower. Nice little design. Okay, and it got an on-off switch on the back, so it's not a button that per se that you just plug in. Got the USB slot, got a micro SD card, auxiliary slot, micro USB to charge it. There you go. I don't know if you can see that too good, but yeah, that's everything with. What comes in the pack is your standard auxiliary card and your standard micro USB. Fresh out the box, baby. Brand new. That's all that's in there. So let's grab the phone real quick. Let's turn it on first. Okay. We got the little Naxa sound. I guess that's your volume. Up and down. I guess either you hold it for volume and you just press it one short press for fast forward, you know, the skip track and reverse track. The M, I don't know what that is, and the play pause button, and you know, the phone button. As y'all can see, it's strobing already. The play pause, and for the LED lights. Let's see how we stop it. Oh, just hold it for the LED lights. Come on and off. Okay. Let's pair it up. Let's see what we got. Okay, the Naxa Vibe NAS 3082. See what we got. I believe it just connected. Let's crank up the volume on it. Okay. I believe that's loud as it go. Now let's find us a little music to listen to. About to go to YouTube. Go to, let's see. Now to check out It's Green by Kadeem James. Shout out Kadeem. Okay, let's see. Okay. Let's get to the music.
It's green, hey, oh, it's need to know is I get cream. Double cup of rum, then I add lean. I keep shit play on set. Dick a bitch a dope fiend.
Okay.
It's green, it's green, it's green. It's green, it's
That's
green.
about loud as it gets.
Green, it's green, it's green, it's green.
I'm not gonna tell y'all.
That shit mean. All you need to know is I get cream. Double cup of rum, then I add lean.
Naxa Vibe 2.
I keep shit play on set.
Naxa Vibe 2, it was a whole lot better than this. Like, I ain't gonna lie, I'm very unimpressed. I mean, I'm in an enclosed area. I should have more sound than this, and it's just not doing it for me. But if you want it for the novelty or the lights, you know, you got some little kids or something, I mean, 16 bucks. I mean, hey, you can get it for them, but I'm just gonna tell you, I'm unimpressed by it. I would just spend the money, because the Naxa Vibe 2 is probably a couple bucks more the last I checked. So, I mean, I would do that because this ain't doing it for me. It's not even mediocre. So, Naxa Vibe, gotta give it a thumbs down. But, like I said, 16 bucks, what can you expect? Plus, I mean, you're getting lights, that's it. Getting some strobe lights. Got some nice colors. But, that's my take on the Naxa Vibe 3. Real short and simple to the point. I'm not recommending it, especially if you want it for sound quality, but if it's something for a little a child or something, you know, they need a night light or want to listen to some little music, hey, this is perfect. So, if y'all like this video, man, y'all bang, bang, bang that like button, man. You know what I'm saying? And if y'all want some more videos, man, y'all leave a comment down below. Let me know what y'all want me to try. I'm getting all the budget electronics I can so I can try. And I'm going to get some more upscale stuff. So, Shannon the Wise. Wise Nation salute. I'm out.